Has a massive pair of wheels that are 4 foot in diameter, and you put all the books in the middle of the wheel so that it's only the rim.
What is interesting is the huge variety of styles, you know, from really modern to much more classical. That's a really nice.
We haven't just got a climate problem, we've got a problem with all sorts of other things which are related to the way that we go about things.
When you take a pack of veneers and bend them, you can bend them around a two-dimensional shape. If you twist them, then you're moving into a third dimension.
The idea behind this piece was to have it's hinting at a skin of black walnut on a core, a pale, very, very square, beautifully crisp.
He was entirely self-taught. He never had the privilege of training as an architect.
With this chair I used flat plywood where I created different shapes in the flat, but if you can see how when they're brought together into a three-dimensional form, they actually suit the shape of the back.
Much of my inspiration comes from Finland, where wood has provided the food of survival. The other influence I have, and I guess this makes me unusual, is that I chose to work in a furniture factory before I set up on my own.
One of the things I like about this table is that it's a circle, but instead of using what I call a diffused grain, like a burr, you've used a linear grain.
Well, they're learning manual skills, and they're learning an important part of our heritage, which is a man's relationship with the woodlands.
You know, when you telephoned me, what was the actual beading that you, or the reed?
This is the beading we were talking about, which is a very typical feature of Alan's work.
There is some amazing work. There's so much quality, creativity, joy, love, passion. It's a fantastic representation of what is going on in the field today.